Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The Four Stars Sudoku in today's newspaper on Friday, March the 22nd, 2024. And I've here three regular puzzles. The first regular puzzle is already solved, the 3-star Sudoku, so two puzzles remain, the 4 stars and the killer Sudoku. In this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve, 7 extra puzzles, yeah, 4 of them I will solve. In the evening, not now. Now I will solve these 3 regular puzzles. And the news of today, well, there's an attack by ISIS in Moscow. Yes, a lot of killed people. Yeah, I believe more than 130 people are killed. Anyway, let me continue with the 4-star Sudoku number 8232. And before start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 25 printed digits. Usually a 3-star Sudoku has 25 printed digits, but it's indicated with 4 stars. For 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more. Well, should be a 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle with 25 printed digits I need 20 to 30 minutes. Question is this a 3 stars? Is this a 4 stars or 3 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Alright. Let me see. The 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place level 8. Shoot there. 2, 2. 2, 2, yes. In this third row, row, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. So the 2 in this row could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 2 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only 2 place level, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. Alright. And now, 6, 6. I need to need a 4 here. No 5 here. 5, 5, 5. Okay. Need 8 here. Need 2 here. Need 1 here. Come on. Need a 4 here. Let me see. 5 there. 3, 3. 3, 3. Need a 9 here. Need a 7 there. I'm thinking. 5, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. 2. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. 5 in this column, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, or there. We have 5 in the middle, in the second row, no 5 there. 5 could be here, could be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 in these 3 boxes. Here, 5 in the second row, no 5 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square should be there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 now in this row, so first row, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column, so in the first column, no, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below, so last row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. On that last column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 now in this row, so in this box can be 5 anymore. And that box should be the 5. And all the 5s are used. I can see. This is number 1 and 5. Alright. 9. 3, 6, 1. 3 missing numbers in the middle row. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1, 3, 6. 1, 3, 6, 1, 3, 6, 1, 3, 6. And look, we have 1 and a 6 in this column, so no 1 and 6 in this box. 1 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So what is left in the middle row for number 3? So here we have again a pair, the 1 and the 6. Alright. We have a pair, the 3 and a 9 in this row, 3 and a 9 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places left for 3 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 3 and a 9. 1, 6, and need a 7 here. Need a 7 here, need a 7 there. Alright. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 there, yeah. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 2 and a 4. We have 2 and a 4 in this first row, so no 2 and a 4 in these 3 boxes. 2 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. 4 in this row, 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row, so in the third row. Only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, or there. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 in the last column, no 4 there. Only place left for the 4 should be there. Need 8 here, okay. Need a 6 there. Then 3, 7, 8. 3, 7, 8. 3 missing numbers in this third row. One of the missing numbers is an 8 in the third row. Here can mean 8. We have 8 in the last column, no 8 there. Here can mean 8. We have 8 in this column, so no 8 there. So the only place left for 8 in this row should be there. So 2 numbers left now in the third row for numbers 1, the 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have a 7 in the last column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the last column, so the column 3. Only 2 places left, and 7 should be here. Or there, we have a 7 in the middle row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. Here we have 3 and a 9, so the other pair should be the 1 and the 6. Okay. 1 and a 6. Alright. And now 1, 3, 9. 4, 4. Come on. 8, 8. 8, 8. The 8 there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this column, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row, 8 in the third row. So the row between the second row, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Need an 8 here. Need an 8 there. Alright. Then need a 3 here. Yep. One of the missing number in this big square is number 3. These 2 boxes are reserved for the 2 and the 4. So the 3 should be one of these 3 boxes. We see a 3 in the middle column, so no 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there. 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row, 3 in the third row, so the row between the second row. Only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, or there. We have 3 in the third column, no 3 there. 3 in the first column, no 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be there. Alright. 179. And now. 7. Need 7 there. Need 7 here. We have 3, 8. So one number left should be the 7. We have 7 in this column, middle column, so no 7 there. So the 7 goes together with the 3 as a pair. So if eliminated here the 8, so the 8 goes there. So we have 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row, 7 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in the first column, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in the last third column, no 7 there. 7 in the first column, no 7 there. Only place left for the 7 should be there. A 1 box left in this column, I believe the 9, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8. The 9 is missing, alright. So we have a 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. A 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 1 in the 6, we have a 1 in the second column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. And we have a pair, I believe. The 6 and 8 in the third column. The 6 and 8 in the second column. So in the first column, only 2 places left for the 6 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 2 is missing, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 2 missing numbers in the first row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. It means 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. Alright, so here we have 3 and a 9 are left. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 or a 9, we have a 9 now, so this box should be a 3. Oh, made a mistake. We already have a 3 here. Come on. What a mistake. Was this the 3 and a 9? Was this was not correct. Or was this not correct? Well. 3 and a 9, so this box should be a 3. This box should be 9, so 1 digit left should be the 6. Yeah, this should be a 6 here. 3 and a 9, we have a 3 in the last column, no 3 there. The 3 and a 9 are actually correct. This was not correct. Alright. 3, need a 3 here. 6 and 8, we have 6 now in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 8 goes there. 6 in the last row, 6 in that row, so the row between, only 2 places left, 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the column between, the middle column, only place left 6 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this row, 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and 7, 4 and 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square, other numbers, 1 is missing. 1 and the 2. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 1 and the 6. We have a 1 now in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 9 and the 6, we have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 9 goes there. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the last column, so the column between, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next, only place level 9, should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can't see. This is number 2, number 9. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 1 goes together with a 3. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in the last row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above, so in that row. Only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And all the 1s are used. I can't see. This is number 3, number 1. And 1 box left in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. 1 box left in this row for number 1. The 2. The 3 is missing. 3 and a 7. We have a 3 now in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 7 goes in there. 7 and a 4. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 4 goes there. 2 and a 4, we have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be here, 4 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 2 and a 4, we have a 4 now in the last row, no 4 there, 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7. 8 is missing, 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Well. We solve it again. 3 stars. Well, actually, it's 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes. So, well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the 3rd regular puzzle. A killer Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.